Looking for a professional water heater inspection in Sherwood Park? At Kingstree Plumbing, we know how crucial a reliable water heater is for your home's comfort and efficiency. A failing water heater can lead to higher energy bills, inconsistent hot water, or even unexpected breakdowns. Our expert water heater inspection service ensures your system is running efficiently, preventing costly repairs and extending its lifespan. In Sherwood Park, fluctuating temperatures and hard water buildup can put extra strain on your water heater. That's why our certified technicians provide a thorough inspection, checking for leaks, sediment buildup, and worn-out components to keep your system in top shape. With Kingstree Plumbing, you get fast, reliable service from local experts who understand your needs. Book your water heater inspection today with Kingstree Plumbing. Call now or schedule online.